Come test drive the 2022 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.